So here is the wallet. So this is another wallet in Telegram which you can use with Ton, basically. So that's the idea. And then you can just tap in the Dewallet in top right, and then you just have it here. You have a username. Just search for Dewallet username. That's just what you can see here. That's the idea. Also, so yeah. That's what it is. It's a popular Ton wallet, and in the bottom left you have wallet. You just tap on that, and then you just follow the instructions to create a wallet. You will see the secret phrase, the seed phrase. You just save it somewhere, and then you easily create your wallet. And then it's a wallet in Ton mainnet. In top right you have settings. You can delete account. You can show your recovery phrase. You can just log out, change your language, and then here you have wallet. You can swap, you can see different apps, you can see in settings. So yep, that's just what you have here. You can also deploy wallet. Then you need to spend some Ton here. So you need to have some Ton. So that's just what it is. And then yep, you can connect this wallet to Notcoin. So if you just go and search for Notcoin bot and try to open it up, then you can just connect wallet, and then you just select the wallet similar as you used with Stonekeeper. Connect it, enter the PIN code, and then it should work. So yeah, that's what it is. Works quite well, so try it out.